As previously stated, biodiesel is made from fat and vegetable oil. In the United States, biodiesel is primarily made from soybeans, and if you look at other countries like Europe, it's mostly rapeseed oil. The process of making biodiesel, or the chemical process, is called transesterification. And the ideal is to take the glycerin that's in the fat and remove it. And what would be left would be the methyl ether, which is the biodiesel. Usually what would happen is that you would go to a restaurant, or there would be a specific location to pick up the cooking oil, and they would transport it to a process place. And once they get to that area, they would take what was collected and pass it through a filter, so just to remove the greater pieces. Depending on the company or the product that you have, they might have a better filter than others. So some filters are absolutely amazing and they're able to filter so much that the biodiesel is practically finished by the time you're done filtering. Others just remove the bigger pieces like chicken bones and things like that. Afterwards, it goes to a chemical process. So they mix it with methanol and a catalyst. The catalyst could be sodium hydroxide. It could be a series of things. There are different tanks in which it's produced. So there's a tank where it's collected, the tank where it's filtered, the tank where it's mixed. But there's also a tank where it's heated, and the tank where it actually separates. So once it's heated, not only is it heated, it also has a catalyst. So this process is making the reaction occur very much faster. In the separation process, the glycerin would fall to the bottom, would settle to the bottom, and the biodiesel would be at the top. So what they would have are drains or pumps of some sort, and they would have the biodiesel separated and removed and placed into another tank. This is usually a storage tank, and so whenever the customer or consumer is ready to have biodiesel delivered, it's already set and prepared. The glycerin can be used for soap products, pharmaceuticals. It actually has a lot of uses, so nothing goes to waste in this process. Even the large pieces of filtering that occur at the beginning, a lot of the stuff is able to be compost. Usually though, when it is transported and distributed into the fuel marketplace, it's usually a blend. It would be blended with a hydrocarbon fuel like petroleum. Once it's mixed, it has different ratios depending on what the consumer wants. Sometimes it's 100% biodiesel, other times it's a 20 to 80% mix. The ideal is that we're able to make use of a waste, and it's an alternative.